Circumferential cracking is very difficult to detect and characterize with standard eddy current bobbin probes. That's mainly because eddy currents generated by bobbin probes flow parallel to circumferential cracks. Bobbin probes are also sensitive to ferromagnetic interference generated by tube sheets and support plates of heat exchangers. The large signals generated by these structures usually mask the small signals from circumferential cracks. Bobbin probes are also sensitive to liftoff, such as the one found in expansion transitions. This is where the patented Defy eddy current array probe comes in. Defy probes incorporate standard bobbin coils and an array of oval coils. The array increases the probe's overall coil density and sensitivity to defects. Multiplexing is key here. The coils are driven sequentially in a clever pattern. This enables the Defy probe to examine the entire circumference of the tube with no mutual interference between the coils. The result? High-definition data. The Defy probe can therefore detect and size defects typically detected by bobbin probes, but also circumferential defects.
Displays standard ASME defects detected with the bobbin probe. But you can also see that the array yields very clear imaging of the axial and circumferential crack-like defects in the form of an easy-to-read C-scan. You can see that the ferromagnetic interference induces a strong negative response, but the defect remains visible. The C-scan clearly shows the circumferential extent of the crack, and the phase is used to assess the depth.
Out of the tube, I cannot lose the data, even if I try hard. So the system can accommodate very large off-centering. Now I have an encoder in my hand, so I can start the acquisition and just pulling the probe. As I move it into the tube, I can see my defect synchronized with the motion. If I go over an interesting defect, I can go back on it, make sure I'm right on top of it, and then I can go in the D-scan and call the defect into my report. and then I continue my step. Overall, with faster and more sensitive electronics, improved mechanical design, and state-of-the-art software, you save time at every step. But don't take my word for it. Put it to the test yourself. Contact us for your own head-to-head benchmark against any other UT device on the market. This is Mark Grenier for Medify. Thanks for watching.